We're live. It's preparing, and now we're live. Okay, awesome. All right, hello everybody. My name is Tiffany, and I'm the Tipsy Artist, and I am going live today to. Here, I'm gonna make sure. Yes, there I am. Okay, cool. All right. So I'm talking to you about something a little bit different today. I have a wonderful opportunity, and I am in the running for It's Fabulous Over 40, and I guess I'm a really strong contender because I'm actually over 50, so just barely. But I'm in that running right now, and it is for Fabulous Over 40, and it's for New Beauty Magazine, and I'm asking for your vote. So here we go. All right. So here's how it works. For the next 7 days, you can vote once per day for me from Facebook. Facebook is the only outlet for this. They test it, make sure you're a real human and all that. And so that's one way to do it. And then another way is to actually make a donation to the National Breast Cancer Foundation. So it helps a really great cause. And then $1 is equal to one vote. So that's another really fantastic way to help. So, and that would be very much appreciated. So we would love it if you could help. I want to tell you a little bit about the prize and then my why with all of it. So, gosh, honestly, lately I've been there's a really great prize. So let's talk about the prize first because it's pretty amazing. So it is a $40,000 cash prize, which is just wow. That would be a huge just relief for our small business. Just can't even tell you because we have amazing things that we still really want to do with Tipsy Artist. And we have a big old historic building in Guthrie, Oklahoma, and it is not cheap to run it. So we have Airbnbs here, and then we also, of course, have all of our wonderful classes that we do for y'all with all of our painting classes and everything online, and we're developing kits and all of that. And so we also have my small, I have a family here to support as well, and then the business. So it would just be a huge relief to help us really, get back on our feet after the pandemic. So that's a huge motivation right there. Just that alone would be wonderful. And then the other part of the prize would be this is just a big awesome, but it's a like a huge spa trip. And so that is something I don't normally ever do that for myself. Ever. I don't know why. I just don't. I don't know why I don't, but I should, I guess. But it would be this wonderful spa thing, and of course, I would take my mom and my daughter, and of course, my son's like, "What about me?" So I don't know. I guess if they allow that, I'll let him go too. My husband doesn't care about stuff like that, but definitely my mom and my daughter, I just would like cry big old happy tears if we won. That would be just like the dreamiest thing ever to get to go with them. And I'll try not to cry right now because, Anyway, but it would be amazing. That would be amazing. Also, there is a 2-page spread in New Beauty Magazine, which is a wonderful magazine that really elevates and empowers women, especially, the over 40 age group. So I would love to represent Oklahoma in that. And also, that would just be like the best dream come true for me as a little girl. So ever since I was, little, I've always, said, oh, I want to be a model when I grow up. And of course, I never was tall enough and skinny enough or, whatever. But all those different reasons that you can't be a model. But God made other dreams come true for me. But that would be like this really cool dream for me. That would be a really cool, awesome dream come true that I've always had ever since I was a little girl. So you can make a dream come true for me, and you could also really help us with our small business. And you could also just like, I don't know, I would just love it if we could also have this spa, treatment from my mom. My mom's both my mom and my daughter are so hardworking, and they so deserve this spa treatment. My mom has been a registered nurse forever. She's always taken care of people, and she's 75 years old. She's like over 70 and fabulous. So she would love it. And then, of course, my daughter is in college right now, and she also takes care of like special needs. Actually, a grown man is who she takes care of right now with home health. So both of my, like, it's kind of interesting how it all works. My mom works with home health care, and my daughter works with home health care. So very hardworking women, so deserving of the spa time, and we would love to have that time together. But that is all the wonderful benefits. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of the why and how meaningful it would be to us. We would absolutely cherish it in every way, and we would definitely put it to good use. So I just want to tell you how much we just would say thank you in advance, and then also why it would mean so much to us. So there's that. And then I want to talk to you again just to re-emphasize. I left the link in the description there on top. But it basically is just a real quick link. You just click on it. It allows you one vote per day, again, every 24 hours. And then also you can donate too. So it's a great cause. It's a wonderful cause. And that pulls a lot of weight. And that's one way to basically really push us further towards the goal very quickly too. So great way to help out a good cause with the Breast Cancer Foundation, and then also help us to achieve this goal. But just want to say thank you again so very much. And I will be a bit of a pest over the next 7 days, because this is a big honor, and it's very impactful and can really bring us a lot of strength and joy in our lives to also go out and in turn and bless others. So we're going after it really hard, and we're really excited about it, and we would just really love to have your help. So thank you again so much for your support, and I'll be seeing you again very, very soon. So again, I'll be on here probably going live every day. So yay. So you'll get to see a lot of me, and I'll be painting too, but for today I'm going to just pop on and do this. So yes, but y'all have a beautiful rest of the day. I love y'all, and I will see y'all soon. Toodles.